Sa pangalawang araw ng pagbabago bags distribution ng OVP Southern Mindanao Satellite Office sa Davao del Sur, tinungo nila ang paaralang elementarya ng Kabasagan sa bayan ng Matanaw. Kwento sa amin ng guro, may mga mag-aaral silang kulang ang gamit pang eskwela.
As the teachers of these learners, we also provided some of their needs, especially the basic needs in their studies, just like the notebooks, the pencil and papers, the colors, and other things that we can give to them for their studies. We also provide it for them. Some of them are living really far from the school. Others will also cross the river, yes, just to reach their home. So, dili jud tanan lagi kanang hayahay. Oo, naadyoy nangangailangan.
Kaya't labis ang pasasalamat ni Teacher Janet sa handog na school bags ang tanggapan para sa 225 learners. May kasama rin itong dental kits at raincoat.
Ang laking tulong ng supplies na ito dahil unang-una, because of this climate change, we do not know, like today, it's so hot, but in the afternoon, rain is really kanang pinaabtik lang. So they have already their raincoats, no, and other things that these bags or these supplies really help to them. We are so happy na having this one kay not all have these things. The OVP program, the Pagbabago, A Million Learners campaign is so timely for us so that our learners can also enjoy this program because as what I have said, not all are capable and came from a well-off family, so they also need this supplies. I would like to express my heartfelt thanks, especially to our beloved Vice President, Inday Sara Duterte, and we are so much blessed, the Kabasagan Elementary School, for being the beneficiary of this program, the Pagbabago, Million Learners campaign. Our children are so much happy with this one, together as the teachers, kasi we also know and we will be noticing how happy are they using these important supplies to their lives.
Mula rito sa bayan ng Matanaw sa Davao del Sur, ako po si Jera Gomez. Lahat para sa Diyos, bayan at pamilyang Pilipino. Valiente News.